So today I came out to support the cause, man. Stop the violence, kids, family, youth, anything, just anything that supports the kids, keeps them off the streets and keeps them out of trouble, I'm for 100%.
Flag football, Stop the Violence program. My son plays on a team over there. You know, great for the community, you know, get the violence out of the city.
I've been living in the city pretty much all my life. I, came down here from Virginia, been here, like I said, all my life, and it's a great city.
It's great for my son to be involved because when he was growing up, we didn't have a lot of these things going in the city, so it was great to have my son and all these kids a part of, the Stop the Violence programs.
I think it expands the Lynn community from a positive stance. And what I mean by that is that when all these kids come out to something like this, it's positive, 100%. They're not getting in trouble, they're not home playing video games, they're not home doing anything. They're here participating in a fun, youthful, joyous family event.
This is a good event for the city. I'm always doing stuff for the youth. I have my own youth program, No Ceilings Movement. So I work with a lot of these kids, and it's a positive event. So that's really what got me out of here.
This is the way to get all the kids together, to show them that there's a different way other than violence. There's sports, there's other clubs you can get into that, deters you from violence.
It's great. Fred Hogan and Stop the Violence Committee, they do a great job of what they're doing with the boxing, football, basketball, and it gives us something to do, gives us a great community, bring us all together and then show up for a great cause of stopping the violence.
And bringing the kids together and showing that there's a lot of adults out here, ex-athletes, people who are prominent in the city, I think it will show them that there's positive figures and kind of sway them from what's really going on with the negativity.
Putting this together for the community, it makes us look really good because Lynn has had a bad rap for a long time, and it's showing people that we're not a bad city.
Moving forward, I think we need events like the basketball tournaments, baseball, kickball, just different things like that. I think it's gonna bring kids together, and then as they grow, they're gonna have some sort of relationship where when they get older, they're gonna have a responsibility to give back just like this. So I think this event is just gonna foster other positive things to come in the city.